Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. On the TV, it's the Betway Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Amazulu 2. I'm joined by Mr. Hitatlaya Manu.
Awe Sibo.
Kila Walikosi.
Sharp Sibo. Ngicela sihlanganeni nje sibambe moment of silence nyana.
Bafethu moment of silence.
Moment of silence nyana.
Ngicela. Bafethu moment of silence for uLulu. Bafethu. Athucela sibambaneni bafethu ukuthi skiphe namakepisi.
Yeah, sibambe moment of silence. Amen. Sibo.
Yeah.
Guess what?
What, my brother?
Ayinamuhla. Besilgijimisa ibhola.
Yes.
Besilifuna ndoda.
Yes.
Congratulations ku Atazwane. Atazwane bafethu coach. Uyathanda noma uthanda.
Yes.
Atazwane coach. The way Amazulu the way performa ngakhona bafethu eyathopa top
notch.
Yeah, namuhla beseligijimisa hayi bezibuye.
Yes.
But sizawuthini mfethu thina sijabulile ngoba sisakhukha yabo ayikhe eyenza njani. Sibo.
Yeah.
Uyabona mfethu nekhona lento leyo ukuthi mothola something endaweni enjengabo Kaizer Chiefs,
yes,
and Orlando Pirates,
yes,
and Sundowns,
yes,
kumele kucace mfana kithi ukuthi lento le iphuma ku Orlando Pirates,
yeah,
or iphuma ku Kaizer Chiefs,
yeah,
or iphuma ku Mamelodi Sundowns,
yes,
uyabo hayi ngathi seyiphuma lapha emahashahasheni. You understand?
Yeah.
Bheka mina ngithole iphi envelope.
Iphi
envelope mfethu.
Madoda.
Yabona lucky killer. Yabona? Killer wekhosi. Yabona?
Kubani le?
Yabona ka Kaizer yabo.
Straight from there.
Yeah. Ibene packing ticket. Yabona? Mfana kithi bheka bangibhaleli letter njengoba I'm not good ukuthi ngafunda ngokusheshsha nje awufunde le letter mfethu.
Hayi ngaka.
Ufunda nje kancane la dear banibanyana kancane nje.
Dear valued supporter.
Danko. Ungasaqhubeki. Danko.
Ngivalelapho.
Danko. Ibuya. Ungayisondeza abantu bazayifunda bona. Uyayibona? Yes bafethu. Ngiyabonga bafethu akusinoma ubani othola le letter akusinoma ubani.
Iphuma kuchange.
Akusinoma ubani uyayibona ndoda iphuma ku Chiefs le ayiphumi noma ayikuphi.
Straight kuchange straight.
Yes yeah.
Ukalo Bobby.
Baba iphuma ku Chiefs. Iphuma ku Chiefs. Mfana kithi uyabona akusinoma ubani mfana kithi othola letter so ube ukwazi ukuthi ukhona esibalweni. Yeah, ukhona esibalweni. Akudojwa lapha eMarabastad le letter.
Torkom.
Ayikho. Ungena lapha yana ngeke uzithole.
No PhD akazayithola.
Ndoda ngithi wabona kabuya ilentuzana yale. Yini Studio 88.
Iskipa.
Yes.
Ukukhona
ku Studio 88. Omunye waqhamuka nebheka yale Nando's. Wenza nayo la. Hey, akudlalwa la.
Awuthola izinto ezibhalwe ngama
lalela mpinjama asiphume lapho singene la.
Stamped.
Bayitlikitlile
bayishaya kanje. Kanje.
Wena wakushaya kancane umuntu wakushaya. Ngathi mele ngimbize. Mpinde.
It doesn't mhlamba nje.
Mele ngimbize. But anyway mntwana yami. But anyway mfana kithi ngithanda ukuthi rest in peace kuLulu. Bafethu into eyenzeke kuLulu ayikho sharp bafethu. Labantu abenzile I think ukuthi nabo bangajeziswa. Ngathi bangabamba nje oyi1 nje ovele kakhulu mangabe bebabaningi yabo. Then babajezisa ayikho mnandi lento abayenzile. Cabanga manje asaphelelanga sekushoda ngoLulu, shoda ngomuntu ozosibangela umsindo la stadium yabo. But anyway asikho lapho. Mfana kithi ngifuna ukutshela into eyi1. yabona iKaizer Chiefs iyakhukha lama player lawa i3 wathengile Mpintshama uMorris
2
uloli pop
pin pop
yes noma ungathi pin pop or noqele
quality
ibafethu hayi bayadlala and mfana kithi ngifuna ukuthi kuranga Chivaviro uranga uChivaviro angapheli umoya bakhona abantu amakhanda abo ngathi awathathi kahle so angabathathele ekhanda ngicela ukuthi uNkulunkulu amupha amandla ukuthi abe more matured ukuthi angathatha udoti athatha into eright ezofika emakhe emoyeni wakhe or enhlizweni yakhe uranga Chivaviro is the good striker uranga Chivaviro usebenza ngamandla uranga Chivaviro akahlukanga namanye ama player so angazifili a down ngenxa yabanye abantu you understand so ngithi mina ranga phakama ntwana ucine uthandaze njalo uguce ngedolo ungabanaki laba bakhuluma kakhulu ngegama lakho rabanjani wena thatha into epositive uyibeke engcondweni yakho or uyibeke enhlizweni yakho ungathathi izinto ezinegative ngoba izinto ezinegative zimenza ukuthi abe phansi then izitha zakhe zijabule zithi hey nangoke sesamuyi samanje ungavumeli usathana ukuthi adlale ngawe usathana kunqobe banenge abantu abazokhuluma izinto ezinjalo abanye bagqoka amajezi eKaizer Chiefs bazenza ama support eKaizer Chiefs net ukuthi bazowisa wena ntwana phakama ntwana ungabathathele ekhanda so ranga ukhila wekhosi la ukhona uzaba nawe namanye ama supporter akusupporta azoba nawe thatha positive thing mfana kithi ungathathi into ebhedana lalela Nabi now I have a message to Nabi yazini
Nazradin
tomorrow Nabi petrol ya increase mfethu iyaphezulu ngeke kusasa ngathi kusasa
lokho kusayo
yes iyakhuphuka ipetrol and manje sinalele lento leyo kuhamba kogesi bathi low shedding le and Nabi this thing is in your hands. Only coach ongayenza ukuthi petrol yehle
ubani
uNabi
the only coach
ongenza ukuthi petrol yehle uNabi only coach ongenza ukuthi ama taxi driver alayisha abantu uNabi only coach ongavika lesifo lesi sokuhamba kogesi lesi low shedding uNabi akekho umunye umuntu
not Ribeiro
hayi phuma lapho
not Cardoso
hayi phuma lapho uNabi kuphela lalela once government yakhona ukwenza imali ne umnotho wenza njani
yakhuphuka
yes once government yenza iloss umnotho wenza njani uya understand so igovernment manje ayenzi kahle idinga uNabi ngoba iKaizer Chiefs is the government you understand once iKaizer Chiefs are winner I'm telling you petrol yehla
everything
ukudla kuyehla labo mama laba manje bastoka nga1 box yamatamati once uNabi wawina ngiyakutshela ustoka nga10 20 100
pallet
yes phela sebeyakhala bathi mntranami uburatha busafiki kahle la endlini
kahle
yes evarila barila ngizwe nomunye bathi ubekathenge 20 wamatamati since iKaizer Chiefs ngathi ayenzi kahle abola kanti bekathi uhamba nawe eMozambique afika abola lapha eBorder Gate kumele awacithe but anyway uNabi and ngifuna ukutshela into eyi1 even nayo uNabi I want to try this and try
talk
Nabi please don't take something of something. If you want to take something, take a positive things. Don't take a negative things. Because there is other supporters, but it's not for Kaizer Chiefs supporter. It's the Pirate and Sandawan supporter. They said we're gonna beat you and throw with something, something. But now, please don't take that negative things. Please take positive things because we love you as a Kosi supporters and always we will support you. Nabi and share some support.
Amculele lapho before sivala.
Lalela mangifuna ukucula ngiculela uNabi ngithi Himakhosi hasina luvala Bakubi kahle. Okay, asit. So spenda tina so spenda le mali. So spenda tina so spenda le mali. So spenda tina so spenda intensity yo injabulo tina so spenda le intensity ngayo injabulo tina so spenda le mali. Le ngoma ichaza ukuthi bafana bami, le ngoma le ichaza mongaba uyazi ngena ku YouTube or ungene kulentuzana ucheck ukhila wekhosi yes ngiyavuma. So le ngoma le ichaza ukuthi bafana lani yakhona so hlezi sinani sispend imali nethi into esidingayo kini ukuthi nisijabulise kuphela yabo. So Mr Nabi khukha noma bangathi ukhukha into engekho but thina we trust you sizowina and sizonqoba. Danko
Danko.
asibona.